Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, been a few months, and if you're watching this and you haven't seen that I've been doing many posts on Instagram, you should check that out. I'll leave a link to my Instagram account below, so you can check my photos out. I've done quite a few posts, which are just figures I haven't done videos of. As you know by the title, I have made a Kapkan from the game Rainbow Six Siege, which you probably heard of, and maybe some of you have played before. Personally, I like the game. I bought it fairly recently. Yeah, I do like it and enjoy it. And if you know what Rainbow Six is about, and yeah, like how you play it, I do recommend it if you like that type of gameplay. So yeah, but to make Kapkan, what you need for the hair is the hood's kind of mask piece. I used the one from the Archer from a few series ago in the collectible minifigure series. I used his headpiece, and if you have seen the video, you'll recognise this piece from the Robin Hood figure I made. The most recent movie version of him. So yeah, you might recognise that piece. And for the head underneath, I used the Lone Ranger's, which is a pretty old headpiece, but you might have one. I'm just using this because if you've seen Kapkan, he has some like black face paint under his like mask piece where his eyes are. So I just think this personally works well. As you can see, there's not like a lot of skin showing, so I think it just looks pretty good personally. And then going down to the torso, I used the Mandalorian? Oh, sorry. The Mandarin torso. Yeah, sorry, some Mandalorians been thinking about that recently, as I'm pretty hyped for that show. And yeah, if you've seen, I did do a custom figure of that on my Instagram. So yeah, don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. But yeah, so you need the Mandarin torso from the Iron Man 3 set, raising that weird little flamethrower buggy thing. Pretty bad set, but decent figures, I guess. But yeah, I changed his arms out for these, like, I would say olive green kind of arm colour you can get from different sets. I can't remember which one specifically I got this from. I think it might have been that Cyclops from like one of the first like collectible minifigure series. But yeah, I changed the hands out to these dark brown ones, and then also used these like olive green kind of coloured legs as well. Personally, I think this looks pretty decent for what we have piece-wise, like in the Lego. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, sorry, haven't. It's been a while since I made a video, so I don't remember what to say. But yeah, and don't forget to check out my Instagram. Goodbye.